मुझे इस रिश्ते में अकेला महसूस होता है। I feel so alone in this relationship. I feel so alone in this relationship. ये सच नहीं है, मैं हूँ तुम्हारे लिए। That's not true, I'm here for you. That's not true, I'm here for you. तुम वो औरत नहीं हो जिससे मैंने शादी की। You are not the woman I married. You are not the woman I married. तुम भी बदल गए हो, सिर्फ मैं नहीं। You have changed too, not just me. You have changed too, not just me. तुम मुझे अब कभी सरप्राइज नहीं देते। You never surprise me anymore. You never surprise me anymore. तुम कभी छोटी छोटी चीजों की सराहना नहीं करती। You never appreciate the little things. You never appreciate the little things. तुम्हारा परिवार बहुत दखल देता है। Your family interferes too much. Your family interferes too much. तुम्हारा परिवार भी उतना ही दोषी है। Your family is just as guilty. Your family is just as guilty. तुमने मुझसे झूठ बोला, मैं तुम पर कैसे भरोसा करूं? You lied to me. How can I trust you? You lied to me. How can I trust you? यह एक गलती थी, मुझे माफ करो। It was a mistake. Forgive me. It was a mistake. Forgive me. तुम मुझे भावनात्मक रूप से समर्थन नहीं करती। You don't support me emotionally. You don't support me emotionally. तुम कभी अपनी जरूरतों के बारे में बात ही नहीं करते। You never talk about your needs. You never talk about your needs. तुमने मेरे विश्वास को तोड़ा। You betrayed my trust. You betrayed my trust. मैंने गलती की, मुझे माफ करो। I made a mistake. Please forgive me. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. मुझे हमारे विवाह के बारे में निराशा है। I feel hopeless about our marriage. I feel hopeless about our marriage. चलो काउंसलिंग लेते हैं। Let's seek counseling. Let's seek counseling. मुझे तुमसे शादी करने का अफसोस है। I regret marrying you. I regret marrying you. यह दुखद है, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? That hurts. What can I do? That hurts. What can I do? तुम मुझे समय नहीं देते। You never spend time with me. You never spend time with me. मैं व्यस्त हूँ, लेकिन मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ। I'm busy, but I love you. I'm busy, but I love you. तुम मुझसे नफरत करती हो, है ना? You resent me, don't you? You resent me, don't you? मैं निराश हूँ, नफरत नहीं। I'm frustrated, not resentful. I'm frustrated, not resentful. तुम हमेशा अतीत की बातें उठाते हो। You always bring up the past. You always bring up the past. क्योंकि तुम मुझे कभी माफ नहीं करती। Because you never forgive me. Because you never forgive me. तुम मुझ पर विश्वास नहीं करती। You don't trust me. You don't trust me. तुमने मुझे विश्वास न करने के कारण दिए हैं। You have given me reasons not to. You have given me reasons not to. हम जीवन में अलग अलग चीजें चाहते हैं। We want different things in life. We want different things in life. क्या हम समझौता कर सकते हैं? Can we find a compromise? Can we find a compromise? तुम हमेशा गुस्से में रहते हो. You always get angry. You always get angry. तुम मुझे हमेशा उकसाती हो. You always provoke me. You always provoke me. तुम मेरी भावनाओं को नहीं समझते. You don't understand my emotions. You don't understand my emotions. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. I'm trying. Tell me what you need. I'm trying. Tell me what you need. तुम मुझसे बहुत उम्मीदें रखती हो. You expect too much from me. You expect too much from me. मैं बस तुम्हारा समर्थन चाहती हूँ. I just want you to be supportive. I just want you to be supportive. मुझे लगता है हम अलग हो रहे हैं. I feel like we are drifting apart. I feel like we are drifting apart. मैं क्या करूँ इसे बदलने के लिए? What can I do to change that? What can I do to change that? तुम बहुत पैसा खर्च करते हो. You spend too much. You spend too much. तुम हमेशा बचाती हो. क्या फायदा? You are always saving. What's the point? You are always saving. What's the point? तुम हमेशा सही हो, है ना? You are always right, aren't you? You are always right, aren't you? नहीं, मैं बस इस पर चर्चा करना चाहती हूँ. No, I just want to discuss this. No, I just want to discuss this. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust you anymore. I don't trust you anymore. मैंने क्या गलत किया? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? मुझे इस विवाह में फंसा हुआ महसूस होता है. I feel trapped in this marriage. I feel trapped in this marriage. क्या हुआ? हम इसे सुलझा सकते हैं. What's wrong? We can work through it. What's wrong? We can work through it. हमें एक दूसरे के लिए समय ही नहीं मिलता. We never have time for each other. We never have time for each other. तुम हमेशा व्यस्त हो. मुझे उपेक्षित महसूस होता है. You are always busy. I feel ignored. You are always busy. I feel ignored. तुम हमेशा अपने दोस्तों को पहले रखते हो. You always put your friends first. You always put your friends first. ये सच नहीं है. तुम सिर्फ ईर्ष्या कर रही हो. That's not true. You are just jealous. That's not true. You are just jealous. तुम ज्यादा रिएक्ट कर रही हो. You are overreacting. You are overreacting. मैं नहीं, तुम सुन नहीं रहे हो. I am not, you are not listening. I am not, you are not listening. तुम बहुत स्वार्थी हो. हमेशा अपने बारे में सोचते हो. You are so selfish. Always thinking of yourself. You are so selfish. Always thinking of yourself. मैं अपने परिवार के लिए कमाता हूँ. और क्या चाहिए? I am providing for our family. What more do you want? I am providing for our family. What more do you want?